Hello, my dear students. Again, I am here with you to discuss another topic in the mathematics of class 10th chapter triangles. Before starting anything, first of all, I would like to remind you, please don't forget to subscribe our school channel as well as like the video and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new videos. Dear children, in the previous videos we have discussed about the topics like we have discussed the Thales theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem of the chapter triangles. That was one of the most important topic of this chapter. In the previously we have discussed about similarity of figures, and now in this video we will discuss about similarity of triangles. So similarity of triangles means what are the basic conditions for showing the similarity of triangles, as well as what is the definition, as well as what are the criteria by which we can prove the similarity of triangles. See, let's continue. What are the criteria? See, generally what is the definition of the triangle? According to that one, we can say that two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding side, these are the points of similarity of triangles according to their definition, their corresponding angles should be equal as well as their corresponding sides should be proportional. Two triangles are said to be similar in these two conditions. But if we want to prove the similarity of triangles, so what will be the criteria of proving? As we have seen in the class 9, we have studied about the congruence of triangles. In congruence of triangles, we have seen there were so many criteria how to prove the congruence of triangles. In the same way, we are having some criteria which we have to follow to prove the similarity of triangles. See, let's continue. The first criteria, that is called AAA criteria, means angle similarity theorem, or this criteria. What is the meaning of this criteria? I am going to explain. See, look at the figure. Let's consider there are two triangles. One is named as ABC and other is named as PQR. These are the two triangles. Now in these two triangles, it is clearly seen that angle A is equal to marked as angle P. These are the corresponding angles. Now B corresponds to Q and angle C corresponds to angle R. Then what we can say? That the corresponding angles of these triangles are similar. The corresponding angles of these triangles are equal, so the triangles are similar. See, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R, then definitely their sides will be proportional. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AC upon PR will be equal. This ratio will be equal and hence the triangles will be similar. This is the first criteria. One more very important point over here. In AAA similarity criteria, very important point. If any two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then what will be the condition of third angle? बहुत important point. If two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of the other triangle, then definitely by angle sum property of triangles, the third angle will be equal to each other. Now it's very important, in order to use the AA similarity criteria, we can write only AA criteria also. Means we will need to prove only two angles equal and then the criteria will be completed. See, now the next point, SAS criteria. What does it mean? SAS similarity criteria. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of the other triangle as well as the sides included between these angles, मतलब कि जिस एंगल की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि इफ एंगल A is equal to angle D, here we are having two triangles ABC and DEF. So if angle A is equal to angle D, then the sides related to these angles, related means the included sides, like we are seeing AB, it corresponds to DE and AC corresponds to DF. Okay, so if angle A is equal to angle D, this is the condition, and AB upon DE, you can say AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, this one, then we will say that the triangles are similar, means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So this is called SAS criteria of the similarity. Now the third point, SSS similarity criteria. In this similarity criteria, what we have to do, let's see. SSS. In this similarity criteria, all the three sides of one triangle should be proportional to the corresponding sides of the other triangle. Let's see the figure. See, here we are having two triangles. One is ABC and other is DEF. So here, if side AB corresponds to DE, side BC corresponds to EF, and the last one, side AC corresponds to DF, then what we will say? Then if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF, see, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF, and also it is equal to AC upon DF, then definitely the angles of the triangles will be equal and hence the triangles are similar. So my dear children, you have to learn these criteria. In order to prove the similarity, any one of these criteria can be used for proving the similarity. Any one criteria we have to select which corresponds to the particular question. When we will solve the questions, when we will see the examples, then we will see that which of these criteria is applicable in which given figure. Let's see some examples. See, here we are having some examples. We have taken some figures where we have to check the similarity of the triangles. See, in the first part, what we are seeing, it is clearly seen that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. It is given, its measurement is given. Therefore, these triangles, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, means this is similar to triangle PQR. C. And what is the criteria? Here we are having the angle criteria, means all three angles are equal. So we have to select that by which criteria the triangles are similar. Now look at the second figure. Here also triangle ABC and triangle PQR we are having, but how we will select the correspondence of the sides, it's very important. See, here one side is given 2 cm, 2.5 cm and 3 cm. These are the sides of triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR we are having the sides 6 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Now angle means, we are seeing clearly that side AB, which is 2 cm, it can correspond to the side QR. AB can correspond to QR. Its ratio will be 1 upon 2 means 2 upon 4, it will be 1 upon 2, and BC will be 2.5 centimeter, which will be the corresponding side to QR. 2.5 upon 5, it will also be 1 upon 2, as well as AC upon PQ will be 3 upon 6, it's also 1 upon 2. So here the triangles are similar. By what criteria? That is S criteria, the triangles are similar. But very important point, what is the order of naming of triangles? We have to see. That is the most important point. देखिए, if we are taking the triangle A B C, so AB side, AB corresponds to which side? That corresponds to side QR, this triangle. So first we will start from QR, then definitely BC means second side will correspond to RP, so the last vertex will come P. So it is clear that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. It is not PQR, it is similar to QRP. Okay, now let's see another example. Here we are having two triangles LMP and DEF. So dear children, here it is, I think it is clear to you all that a side 2.7 centimeter, it has no any fixed ratio with any of the sides like 4 centimeter,